So I got your question in the email. Find the criticals values for a 95% confidence level in a sample size of 10. So they want you to draw a sketch here of the chi-squared distribution, and for 95% confidence level, this area between here is a 95% or 0.95. To find alpha, you go 1 minus the 0.95, you get 0.05, and you're supposed to divide that by 2. So you divide that by 2, half of that would be 0.025. I got an extra 0 there, don't I? Okay, so it'll be 0.025 here. So that'd be this first one here. Then you got the 95.95, and if you add those, you get this, which is 0.975, and you got there here's 0.025 also. So you got to use this table 8. It's in your book. If you want to look it up yourself, it's on page A-15. Just go into the search feature and type that in, and it'll bring this up. So we're looking at these two columns here, the 0.025 and the 0.975, which I was trying to explain how to get those. You got a sample size of 10, and so the degrees of freedom is always one less than that. We've seen that before. That's 9. So if you take 9 and you cross it with this column, that's the 2.7, and I guess that's this number here that we want first. Then the next one, is going to be the other guy, and so we're going to take the 9 and we're going to cross it with this column. We get 19.023. So it's just a matter of using this table, drawing yourself a picture. Hope this helps.